I see eggplant.
Eggplant?
Yeah,
What color is it?
purple.
Purple? And what
Ayah,
do you see? The red one, what is that?
cabe.
Cabe? How do you say in English?
I know, Ayah.
Chili?
Chili.
How many chili do you see?
So many.
What color are they? Huh? Red?
I see a flower.
How many flower?
So many.
Can you tell me the color?
Yeah, it's a rainbow.
Tell me the color one by one.
Yellow, pink, and the white.
Can you count how many flower?
Yeah, easy.
But don't touch it, okay?
How many flowers? Oh, look, Ayah. I need to count it, okay, Ayah?
What?
I need to count it.
Don't touch it. Oh, you just only want to count it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But Ayah, what flower is over there? Ayah. Mom.
Come on. Let's go.
Wait, one flower, two flower, 4 flower, 5 flower. Okay, so many.
You know what is it?
Yeah.
What is it? The yellow one?
The grass.
No, this is the grass, the green one.
Oh, so what is the lighter one?
The yellow one is the rice.
Rice.
Yeah.
Rice English what?
Rice is in English. In Indonesia is padi. Padi is nasi.
Ew, that's stinky padi.
No, see. There's so many rice. Look over there. There's so many rice, right?
Where rice? I don't see the rice. Look, I see a house.
Where is the house?
There. Wait, Ayah, I think something.
Corn? Do you like corn?
Yes.
You want some?
But have some.
Where is coconut tree?
There! On the top!
On the top?
Yeah, can we climb it?
You wanna climb it?
Yeah, how about you? You want to climb it?
I'm not a monkey.
You're not a monkey? Me too, I'm not a monkey.
Okay.
Okay.
Should we continue?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, corn.
Bye-bye, corn. Bye-bye, coconut tree. See you next time. Bye-bye,
see?
yeah. Shh, be quiet.
It's a bird
Be quiet, Ayah. Look at Mama.
yelling. Hi, bird, go away.
Hey, bird.
Yeah.
Go away, bird.
Louder.
Hey, bird, go away.
Whoosh.
Who's?
Whoosh.
Who's?
They're not scared. Ah, the fly. The fly.
I think one more. Look. Who's?
Okay, bye-bye, bird.
Wait, no, Baba. Hey, hey, bird. That's a coconut behind you because you fallen. Boom.
Okay, bye-bye, bird. Say to bird bye-bye.